My name is Jasprit Sandhu, and I'm part of the pre-sales team at Riverbed UK. In this short video, I'll explain how Riverbed performance monitoring solutions have been helping our customers save millions. In this use case, you'll see how Riverbed's infrastructure monitoring solution have helped our customers troubleshoot P1 incident quickly and hence reduce the cost or downtime. What you see over here is Riverbed's infrastructure monitoring solution called SteelCentral NetIM. We are collecting a lot of data over SNMP from all the network devices across this enterprise. There are about 66 sites, about 194 devices, that many interfaces. I have a report of an oil rig having intermittent network issues, which is causing disruptions in my activities at that oil rig. I know the switch that is involved in this oil rig, and it's sat at that particular IP address. I also know the switch information of the data center, and that is this IP address. And what I can quickly do is calculate the forward and reverse path for this particular network. Once it calculates it, you can see clearly that there are some amber alerts on this particular router. There is also a configuration change that was recently made on this particular router as well. So let's dive down deeper and see what's happening. If I look at this fast Ethernet interface, I can actually look at all the alerts that this interface has generated, and there are some recent alerts, and these alerts are related to the interface that I was talking about, fast Ethernet 3/0, and there are some errors and packet error alerts. But look at this interface at a glance, I can see lots of discards and packet errors on this particular interface as well. To troubleshoot further, I'm going to go and look at this particular device at a glance as well. So now I'm looking at this Cisco system device with that serial number. I can quickly see what this device is, device's neighbors are. So I can look at the first hop neighbors, or I can expand it to 2 hops, and I can see where this device sits on the network. These topology diagrams are automatically created on our live topology diagrams. Going back to the device, as I mentioned, there are some configuration changes that have happened on these devices today. I can quickly review the configuration that was yesterday compared to the one that is today, and what are the differences in that configuration. So if I just look at differences, there are some duplex changes at line number 186. If I go to line number 186, which is right there, it is related to my fast Ethernet 3 interface. So I can revert back to full duplex and check if this resolves my issue. So the ability to collect a lot of information from all these network devices and to troubleshoot these incidents quickly has helped many of our customers in oil and gas troubleshoot and resolve the issues. I hope this video was informative, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.